From 14 na failed businesses, abang ngayon ay mayroon na silang 700 franchises worldwide. At ito ay dahil sa Leche Flan. Alamin natin kung paano ito nangyari dito lang sa Negosyo Tayo.
Dessert is an important part of any meal, lalo na sa may mga sweet tooth. Kaya naman today, isang dessert business ang ating pupuntahan para alamin ang kanilang sikreto sa successful na negosyo. Dito lang yan sa Negosyo Tayo. Hello mga kanegosyo, with me is the owner of What's Your Flan, Sir Chino San Diego. Hi, Sir Chino.
Hi, welcome here.
So, Sir Chino, to start off, how did you start with your business?
It started by rediscovering yung traditional leche flans natin. It started back in 2016. My wife is a chef, dessert chef, pastry chef. So, siya yung nag-reinvent ng flans natin. You know, she added flavors to it, different style of cooking, different ingredients. So, doon tayo nag-umpisa. And then from there, nag-take off na siya for, from home-based, simple home-based reselling to 700 franchisees worldwide. We are already in 13 countries as well.
All the desserts that we see out there in the market, bakit naisipan natin to reinvent Leche Flan?
Yeah, that is a good question. Actually, we get that all the time. Ayaw kasi namin ilayo sa Filipino flavors o yung bang Filipino tradition.
Flan is custard, right?
Custard,
okay.
Yeah. So, mahilig tayo sa leche flan. So, the reason bakit namin siya ginawa ng konting, twist is because we don't want the Filipinos to confuse it to something else.
Meron ba tayong naging challenges along the way? Kasi syempre, kapag may bago, hindi natin alam, papatok ba to eh?
Yeah, after 14 failed businesses of my wife.
14?
14. It was never her plan to do this. Parang just out of the blue, she woke up one morning, usong-uso yung matcha flavor nung araw, matcha tea, matcha milk tea, whatever. Naisip niya, gumawa kaya ako ng matcha flavored leche flan. So from there, tinikman ko, nagustuhan namin lahat. And then eventually, yung mga clients ko sa ibang business ko, nag-order sila. Hanggang sa dun namin nakita na meron palang market for flavored flans.
You've mentioned about 14 failed businesses. What do you think is your takeaway on that?
So when you say it failed, it actually didn't work out. But actually, when you fail, you actually learn from it. So hindi siya actually starting from scratch. You actually start from what you learned, and then eventually, maa-adapt mo yan dun sa bagong papasukin mo. Pinakamahirap lang sa lahat kasi talaga is yung guts. Lakas ng loob, suporta ng partner mo, asawa mo, or family mo, or friends mo. Diyan naman talaga nag-uumpisa lahat yan.
Para mga kanegosyo ito, dito kasi sa Negosyo Tayo, Sir Chino, bakit pa kailangan nating magnegosyo?
Ang pinaka gusto namin dito is yung bang time freedom, na meron kaming freedom na gawin yung gusto namin, meron kaming freedom na magpahinga anytime na gusto namin. And then, ang lagi ko kasing sinasabi dun sa mga tao na gusto mag-business is, yung kung gaano ka kasipag sa trabaho, pagdating ng sahod kasi, same lang din yun eh. Pero pag nagnegosyo ka kasi, yung sipag mo, nasusuklian siya. So kung may target ka na gusto mong kumita ng X amount in a month, kaya mo siyang trabahuhin, kaya mo siyang kitain.
Sabi nga nila, try until you succeed. Mabigo ka man ng ilang beses, ang mahalaga ay hindi ka sumuko at bumangon ka pa rin. Yan ang aral na ibinahagi sa atin ni Chino San Diego ng What's Your Flan. Sa susunod pong episode ay panibagong business story at business tips na naman tayo ang ating pag-uusapan. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!